Okay, welcome to all. Today I'm going to give an explanation about what is meant by a library. So everybody knows about that library is a related items which you are using for repeated item you are using for design. So what it is mean by repeated items? Every company has there is a standard guidelines for branding. You can easily understand which is Citibank. And where is the Domino's Pizzas? There is a logo, colors, fonts. All these things are called for a branding. So different types of brandings are available. This is a hoarding design. This will be a board design. This will be a logo. This is a logo color. All the website and everywhere it will be there. The logo and color will be there in the companies. Domino's pizzas, all the pizza covers are the same. All the pizza is carrying is there. The pizza vehicle is like that. Pizza box is like that. The delivery person shirt is like that type, and shirt there is a logo in the shirt whose employees are working on them. So there is a branding line. You can see a person in a delivery person. You can understand this person is a McDonald delivery person or Domino's delivery. How there is a branding guidelines. That branding guidelines are there in their uh, t-shirt or shirt or caps and everything, and their delivery box and everything. So this is called for a branding. So then if you talk about in apps or website, there is a branding guidelines will be there. Same type of guideline in different way it will represent in digital. That is called for a design system. The design system include font, then design system include colors, icons, different types of components. Components mean drop down menus, carousels, and a lot many things are there in that. Then animation and everything. And there is a coloring standards will follow everywhere, and font standard will follow. So what library in Photoshop is doing, you can keep all these branding and design system everything in one place, and all the designs, some repeated designs also you can put in one place. Then you can copy and paste wherever it is required. So what is an advantage? Advantage is the consistency across the app. A new designer is coming and he is giving this is a branding guidelines. These guidelines are available in Photoshop library. So he just need to use that only. The colors only you can only use these colors. These are the swatches. Only these colors you are allowed to use for a design. So he will follow that. Other than in web and mobile and watch and iPad design, there is call for a design system. In design system, there is a fonts, there is a colors, there is a component. Components mean drop down menu, radio button, then check boxes, text boxes, all these component. Template means login box is login is a template. The footer is a template, animation is a template. All these things can copy place. So now I explain what is an importance of a library, why library is using. Now I'll go and teach you how you can create all design systems or brand guidelines in library, and how can you use it in different files. Okay, welcome. This is a material designs is given by uh, Google. So what it is mean by the material design? So see, they mainly explained about okay, my app bar should be like this. You should design the app bar is like this type only, and there will be a badges you need to create like this. So what you need to do, what should not do, that is must have explained this. This is the things you need to follow, and buttons. How button you need to be designed, what the ways it need to be designed. This is called for a design system for applications. So you can just type, and here is icons. They are giving the icons freely. You can download it. All types of icons are available. You can. There is if you click it again, this is the icon library. You can click it and you can download as PNG or anything. Okay. So this is a one way. It's a material designs, and here also there is a following a fonts and everything is there. And I will show you some of the application they are creating the font pairing. So here, this is a header font, means H1. This is H2. This is a paragraph text. So what there you can generate automatically, it will be generated. People will uh, pairing will do like this, then they will use it in application. Another one is a color palette. This is a way you can add the create the color palette. Once color palette is created, that color palette will use on the design. Here also you can go for a mm, trending palettes will be there. See, these are the trending palettes. Okay, now I am giving a real world example. You can understand Citibank. So there is Citibank letter is there, color is there, everything is there. This is a branding guideline. You can see that how branding guideline is done for Citibank. Then if you go to the Domino's pieces, so you can see what type of font they are used, what type of colors they are used. There is a red and blue, and how the color is displaying, how the font is displaying, wherever they are pasting it, all the things. So all these things they are mentioned clearly and everywhere it is using. That's why you can easily understand this is a Domino's pizza. If you go there also, and their shop also designed based on these colors. Again, Domino's website also you will go. You can top bar. You can also see the colors, and everywhere you can see how Domino's is representing and same color pattern or designs will be there. So you think about this Domino's pizzas is created this design. This design you can save on a library and this can use continuously in just drag and drop only make the changes on the description and photographs. The design is same. Add to cart and frame and this like button or price, nothing need to be changed. We can change everything. You can just drag and drop it. Just drag and drop it and change. Okay, now we'll go to the Photoshop. So if you want to do something on the library, so window library, you need to do that. It's already there. And again, I'll show you Windows library. So library is there. So I am drag and dropping the library here. So if you want to create a library, so I already created a library here that is called for a Tigris design. It's my company. So then if you want a font, you can just click on this one. Now you can plus button, you can do. So this is asking text color or foreground color or character style. I want a character style. So it is added here. And same way you can whatever the character styles you are using, you can add it. Next, I want to add this one. I have locked lot of layers. I am unlocking all the layers. So I'm just adding here. This is not in the logo. This is come under graphics. So this need to be come here. Now I am also, these are the footer. I need to use everything together. Then I'm making us, this is a group. Control G is a group. And then I'm adding this group to here. Group 3. You can specify name, you can also give, but I am not giving now. I am putting in the graphics. Now I am also doing this bottom part. I'm Control GM group. Now I am putting it on this group 4. I'm same name. I think it is not added. Oh, plus sign I need to put. Okay, now it is a footer, and what I'm going to do, Control G. So group 5 it is. I'm just pressing plus graphic. I'm putting on graphic. Now I'm planning to create this also one group. Group 6 is here. This also I changed to rectangle. Okay, this one is a rectangle. Okay, graphic. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a new file. I'm doing some different color background. Now I'm just drag and drop here. Increasing the size of this. I'm locking this, otherwise always it will go off. Okay, next time library I'm giving this one. I'm just reducing the control caps lock I'm saying I'm putting here. I want the footer and again I am login page I am doing here. This is already group 4 is already done. Header. Now I need to do the Tigris design. Then you can apply the font which is your applied here added here. Now you can see same thing we are created in a minutes. And again, if you'll go, we are not again this also these two we are not included. Here also you can have a group, then plus button. It's a graphic. Okay, then come back to that file. Just drag and drop it. No, that is group 7 is here. So this is a easy and simple way you can easily create the login page. Login page. So I'm not created anything. I just align these things. I copy paste. Another way you can completely you can create take it this and you can put it as a login page design. Then if I'm going to create, I'm deleting this. As you just drag and drop it, the entire design come here. And not only this, what is another advantage I'll tell you. If you want to edit any of these things, you can just come here, you can edit it. If you want to change the color, you can change it. Another advantage of this, whatever change you make on the library, this is applicable across your system. Your login ID, you can share this to all the designers in your floor. So what are the people working in this project? They can everybody can use this is a project. So any item now you click, it is an individual item. You can make changes. Then repeatedly it automatically linked. Then automatically it will be changed in all the files. So this is the beauty of library. I think you clearly understood. You need to add the things in the library panels. Once you added, you can just drag and drop and you can use it. And you can use it as an entire design or single design. Here I have not this button. Only button you need to as a library you want to add. You can do that. Just click on this and plus button. Then clearly you can name it. It's a login. You put it on a graphic. Next time you want to use this in new file anywhere, you can just drag and drop this as a button. And you can create multiple buttons like this. So I want this instead of this, I want the button is like. So what I need to do, I just instead of you just create another button. So then put it as a cancel. Then you can drag and drop it here. You can use it, utilize it. And if you want to do the editing, you need to double click here. Then you need to edit. Here also you can double click and you can edit it. This is a whatever the library item you are added here, it will be treated as a separate thing. See, each one it is separate. If you want to reduce the size, you can select image size. Then you can now it is 5 inches. You can put it as a 2 inch. Then okay. Then next time you are coming back here, just drag and drop this item. It's you can do that easily, whatever you want. So this is the beauty of the library. You use it the library. This is very important. Whenever you are working in your organization, you ask them, "Do you have any libraries?" If they don't have any libraries, you create a libraries and showcase your work will be 70% of the time. You can say that. If you have any questions and any queries of library, please ask me. I'll explain again it that I think that this is very clear.